We should be back live here. Welcome back. So Nasdaq is pushing. I want to see if it's getting rejected because I'm getting myself very ready to short, the market, to short Nasdaq. Trump is going to speak today. It's going to be interesting. I mean, let's see. I'm still short DAX. I am. Okay. Have a little short position also on my live account. For those that say I don't trade, when I trade live, it's not real money. I mean, I hope you could see this one here, but I'm actually a little bit short here. I mean, I'm short for 6.5 million DKK, so $1.2 million. Nothing huge, down 14K. Just want to show transparent that I'm actually short. It's not just something I say. Even it's a very, very little position for me. I don't know if you saw my screen. I have some issues with this OBS thing streaming, but it should be okay. Yeah, so I'm short. What I want to do, actually, just to be honest with you and transparent with you, as I'm always, I actually want to add to this short here. I think it's so overbought. But again, if Nasdaq continues to push and DAX is not showing any momentum to the downside, then we should just probably wait a little bit. But I would really like to take a quick short here on the Nasdaq. So I'm gonna have a short position on the Nasdaq, and I would like to have a short position. So I'm shorting right now. I think we could get rejected here, but again, I could be wrong. Let's just see here. Let's see here if it's gonna stop around previous day's highs. So I opened a short position, just a light one. I know we have an orb long because this 5-minute candle is closing above, but I just want to be a little bit careful here, okay? I want to trade against this orb long because I think it's a fake out. So I'm opening a light short position here. I am short. I would like to target previous day's lows of 245. I'm gonna have my stop loss at 600. I'm currently short, guys, on the Miro trading account. Okay, so just letting you know that I'm short. I have a short position. Let's see if DAX actually starts selling off, or is that also gonna be a little bit choppy? Because it doesn't seem to. So I'm only risking on the Nasdaq 65 points. I really want to target back to 250. I want to see DAX is actually going to stop here and start selling below like 950 and then come back to this range around 850, 800. I think it's very overbought. But right now it just continues to go up. Let's see here if Nasdaq's going to come back and turn around. It might be a quick scalp. Just letting you know, I shorted at the previous day's highs around 550. Doesn't have to work. Seems like it's gonna push. So UK 100 start turning around. Maybe let's see here. Start seeing a red candle. What about Dow Jones? That's also pushing after some selling pressure. I mean, this could easily turn around and start selling off and be very weak. What about S&P 500? SP, here we go. That's actually pushing also back to previous day's highs. So basically what we're seeing right now in experience is market is actually pretty strong. It's pushing back. UK start correcting itself. That's why I have confidence, potential confidence in the DAX. But again, this could continue a bit. So 10, 15 points down on Nasdaq. It's a light position. I think it's gonna go till 630. So I think it's might gonna push to around 630 and then turn around, okay? Yeah, I think it's gonna do something like this. Push to, let me just turn this off. I think you're gonna push to this line here. Okay, potentially. So I went in very light, so I could always move my stop loss if I want to. Let's see here. It looks like NASDAQ is gonna go back to, yeah, 50 points more. Yeah, I think it's gonna rally to the green line and then maybe take out stop loss and then turn around. So I just want to move my stop loss a little bit here, so I don't get stopped out immediately. Just want to see if this is gonna turn. So I want to add around 615 to the short, starting in very light. So first they're gonna take an orb, they're gonna push it back to highs here, they're gonna take stop losses out, and then I think it's gonna come all the way back again. Maybe not here, but I think it's gonna come pretty quick back. That's my thoughts on the market. So I think you're gonna try to push it to 630. I'm adding around 615. Have my stop loss maybe above 650. There's nothing wrong with the stop loss 600. I just think it's too tight. I actually still think it's going to go back to these lows here. I think it will turn at some point. You just have to push a couple of people out. And that's the same we see on DAX, guys. There's nothing worry about. I mean, I'm not worried about anything. I mean, I just going to add 50 contracts more. And then maybe 100 contracts more, and then 200 contracts more. And then you say, yeah, but I could not do that mass. Okay, you don't have to add. You will make enough money still. So exactly what I expected, market to push, and then now we'll start selling off. Okay, I mean DAX, NASDAQ is not selling off yet, but as you know, I'm short. I'm also short this one here. I'm down 100 points. I think I'm short for around, let's see here. So I opened this short with you at 69, right? So I opened the short around here. I still want to target these 700 levels. Stop loss is currently placed around here. So I move my stop loss to 50. I don't think it's going to go back to 50, but I just have it at 50. I would like to add to this DAX short if it starts selling off, but I would rather have, I would rather add if I can. I would really like to add to my NASDAQ short if it could push a little bit more, and then I can get a better price. Let's see. I'm just gonna let it play out. We have these two trades opened. Also opened it on the Miro trading account. Let's see here. So basically just waiting for NASDAQ to correct itself. I hope it's gonna push a little bit more to the upside. Then I could take a heavier short. Could add on my other live accounts. I'm gonna get ready for add to NASDAQ if it goes below 550. So I'm just letting you know I'm ready to add to my short. Haven't added yet, but I'm just gonna let you know. While everyone is freaking out regarding DAX, I mean, you don't have to freak out. You can just exit if you want. I mean, it's only down 100 points, 80 points. I still think it's valid to have short position here, but you don't have to. I'm holding my short. I'm gonna close it today. But let's see here. Still waiting for this NASDAQ to do something. I think it's gonna get rejected around 600, 630. Let's see. Right now it's slow. I would actually like to add to this short here. Let's see. Will Nasdaq sell off or will it push a little bit more? Because to me it looks like it's going to push maybe a little bit more. It might go to 640, might go to 600. How's DJ looking? UK is making no progress. Zero progress. So I mean it looks like it's a short still to me. So this is what we see a little bit on DJ after a big push. I mean it's not really doing anything. You don't have much momentum. While Nasdaq is just going up. Strong trend. DAX is not doing anything either. I really want to add to this short on Nasdaq soon. Still think it's overbought. Let's see. It's probably going to go to 650. Take a couple of people out. I mean, it looks like it's going to go up. As you see, it's just keep pushing, right? It's been rallying from 25,095 and now it's up to almost 600. I think it's going to cross 600 now. DJ starts selling off. That's kind of like a good sign for the Nasdaq. So we start getting some selling pressure a little bit here on DJ. I mean, I think it could sell off, but let's see. So Nasdaq is really pushing. No surprise. Let's see. It doesn't look like it's going to turn. Remember last time it did exactly the same. It went actually to 630. We've been seeing it a couple of times where things is going to go to 750, 800, 900, and then it turns around 25,900. I don't think it's going to go that high. But let's see. I think they're going to try to push it before they're going to sell it off. Let's see here. I think people's stop loss is going to be around 650. Maybe 600. Previous highs. So every time we're seeing, I mean, really go that high? It's probably going to try to take these out here that it did manage to last time. That's probably what I'm expecting the market to do. I think we have new news coming in, right? Nope, no news. We only have Trump that's going to speak, but market is really hot right now. Let's see. DAX is pointing up. Doesn't want to turn. Nothing's really going on here. No progress on DAX, no progress on Nasdaq. Let's see here. I'm gonna add to my Nasdaq soon. Just know we have these highs here. They probably want to push it another 30 points at least. They're pushing it slowly up. Let's see if it's gonna turn. There is currently, I would say a 600, maybe 400 point realistic move down. And then we have risk of maybe 50 points before it's going to turn. So there is probably like a 8-7R if you're holding it. I mean, it could move further. I mean, of course. How is Nvidia doing today? Nvidia's also up 2%. Still looks very overbought. DAX is actually pushing. So DAX is not doing anything. Why is DAX not coming down? I just think it's because of Nasdaq, to be honest. We right now have, I think, a long, SR long. Nope. We have nothing. Let's see here. Still think it's a short for Nasdaq. But again, they don't make it easy. They want to push it first. Once you have closed your loss, then they dump it later. And Wall Street is also pushing crazy. Let's see. I don't want to go too heavy in. I just want to wait for this to turn around. While I also have a short on DAX. Still think it could be a very good setup today. Come on, sell off. Still short. Let's see if it's going to start correcting itself now. Then I might add to it. We over 30 minutes. I'm going to start adding very heavy to my short. So I'm going to double my position, guys, here. I'm adding very heavy. I'm going to add very heavy to my short. Now I'm in way too heavy, but it's okay. Let's see if it's actually going to turn. Sell off Nasdaq. Doesn't seem to do anything. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything, guys. It's insane. doing anything. Market is just pushing again. I really want to add heavies as one here. I already added. Come on. DAX is also going up. It's taking forever this trade here. I think once it's gonna start turning, I think it's gonna correct itself very quick. Then I think we're gonna end around here extremely quick. There's no progress. I mean, it's not really doing anything. DAX is going up again. No. Will this really rally? I mean, things is just pushing. US 500, US 30, Dow Jones. Yeah, but it's probably just gonna go back to here. I know it could rally more than we can expect, and then just push like through the roof. That's also why I have a stop loss, because it could potentially push. So it's getting rejected here. Let's see here if it's going to start sell off, because it could be a very good day for me actually. If it's actually going to hit these highs and stop here and then start turning around, selling back to maybe 520. So it could be a very profitable day for all of us following the stream here. Could be a very good day. I could have a 7-figure day today if I hold on to my DAX and my Nasdaq. Let's see. We want to make some money here and then walk away. So market is trading around these highs here, 600. We have a short coming in here for a Nasdaq. This is an SR short. Same setup as over here. Exactly the same setup as over here. I hope you could see it, guys. Really focus on tuning in here and focus on paying attention, okay? We have exactly the same setup. This could be extremely good for us. I'm gonna upload it here. Same setup. Just gonna make sure you can actually see what I'm doing. Here we go. You can see it now, I think. So I just posted in Telegram that we have exactly the same setup, as you could see. I start recognizing that, my indicators start playing it out. I start trusting it more and more. But I'm still a bit skeptical about this short. Slow. I really want to add to this short, but right now it's slow. We had a great short over here that played out beautifully. Like 300 could probably be the target. So how much is that from current level? Like only 275 points. Interesting. I mean, not in profit yet. Still short, guys. Nothing have changed. I'm short DAX and I'm short Nasdaq. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna make a lot of money. I could hold it, I know, but I could also add very heavy to this short. I already added a couple of times. I'm probably just gonna hold it to have a set and forget approach. I actually think it could sell off, but it's still slow. It's not doing much for now. Still waiting for it to do something. It's coming back again. It's pretty impressive. It doesn't want to come down. But this is kind of like giving me an idea of it could be a very good day for me. For you that keep asking if I close my short, no guys, I'm still short. Still short on this DAX, but it's a small position. But then I have my other live account where I'm also short. I mean, I could show it to you if you want to see it. So as you can see, I'm currently short for about 60 contracts. Yeah, something like that. Let's see here. It's not doing anything at all. It's not doing anything. I hope you could still see me, guys. You should be able to. So things is just pushing back. It's not really coming down. It's just very choppy. They're trying to push these out. I think they really try. They really want to, like we saw over here, right? I think it's gonna go to 607. I mean, we've been seeing it a couple of times. So I think it's moving to 611. We've been seeing a couple of times things move to 630. So I mean, I'm still holding my short, and want to hold it for now. It's not doing anything. But I think the DAX could play out at some point. So DAX is coming maybe down now, let's see. DAX looking better. DAX is looking better and better while Nasdaq is extremely weird. But we should just expect some choppiness here, that it goes back to here. I mean, stop loss should probably be at stop loss 1 or stop loss 2. It should just be following the SR. We should just follow this indicator. We shouldn't do anything else, just follow it. Now we should. DAX is crazy. There's so much money to be made on DAX if you're doing it the right way. I could have a set and forget today, and I could add to it now with you. I just want to see it's gonna go to profit. So I mean, maybe around 530 and then sell off. Then we kind of like move doubles to break even and kind of like hold it. I think 400 is very realistic today. I think 200 point sell off from here should be pretty realistic. It's taking forever. But it's not going to be easy to make money today. I don't think so. But I still think it's gonna show some resistance here. So always when we expect things to come all the way back, it's either gonna do it massively and sell off even much more than these. So it's probably gonna sell off like maybe down to here. We've been seeing that previously. Not previously, but we've been seeing that before when things is really selling off. Either this is gonna crash today. This is my opinion about the market. Either it's gonna crash, or it's just gonna sell off a little bit. We make good profit, we walk away. Something like that. Sell off to maybe here. Like to TP3, TP2. I think something like that is realistic. TP1, TP2. See, and what I also think, if it's gonna push like we see right here, I think it's gonna sell off even heavier. If it's gonna push up to here, I think it's gonna sell off even heavier that we have been seeing it before. But if it's just gonna be sell off now and be kind of like going down, then I think we should take profit, because then I think it's gonna go back. But if it's just keep pushing like we see right here, I think it's exactly what we saw the other days, and I think it's even better set up. So I actually like, it's actually very weird, but I actually like that it's gonna push a little bit. I don't know what's going on with DAX, Mr. DAX. DAX is also selling off. I think this is just showing me that the market really want to correct itself, but want to push out some people, try at least. So I think it's a way telling us we should be adding. I think we should be adding to NASDAQ, just to be honest. I'm just honest with you, trying to tell you what I would personally do and what I see. So I'm adding a little bit to my NASDAQ short. Nothing huge. So I added. Yeah, 650 is a perfect stop loss. Are you gonna go down or up, NASDAQ? Because right now it's been doing absolutely nothing. And DAX is very tricky. I don't know what's going on with DAX. It's taking forever. But DAX just sold off almost 100 points, guys. I'm not even sure if I'm in profit. I'm like $300 down now. It's okay. Very small position, just playing with it. And now NASDAQ is also coming down, exactly as I expected, guys. I mean, should I really make 7 figures a day? It's just not how I trade. It's just not my style. I want to go in and out. I'm gonna exit soon, guys, when this is gonna sell off. It's not wrong. It's just how I do it. Come on, go up or go down. So slow. It's insane. Let's see here how fast it's gonna go once it's gonna turn. So DAX is looking great. Still holding DAX. I'm also holding NASDAQ. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. I mean, I don't want to have any recording on YouTube, just like, I mean, I make a fortune and then, I mean, this doesn't really matter for me at all. I don't care. So I mean, I've probably gone in the stream now, been live for quite some time. I'm still holding it. I just want it to go down, and then I'll take profit. I'll just follow my SR short indicator, take 50% here, and then the rest 50% here. So I'll just hold it and now start doing some stuff here. So now I'm a little bit profit. I'm not gonna trade more, guys. I'm done holding these small setups here, and I'll see you tomorrow.